The Great East Japan Earthquake and Tsunami of March 11, 2011 showed the devastating power of nature and, in turn, the resilience of the people of Tohoku. 10 years later, on March 11, 2021, people across the country came together to mourn more than 15,900 lives lost, 2,525 who are still missing, and pay respect to many thousands more who'd had their livelihoods destroyed. The rebuilding of the east coast of Tohoku is ongoing. While the official reconstruction and revitalisation period for the area nears its end, the British Chamber of Commerce in Japan remains committed to supporting friends and colleagues in the affected region. Our Tohoku Week will promote local businesses and tourism in the three prefectures most acutely affected by the events of 2011, Miyagi, Iwate and Fukushima, and will present simple ways for you to connect with and support Tohoku remotely while COVID restrictions remain in place. Above all, the BCCJ aspires for Tohoku Week to utilise our UK-Japan platform to share stories of hope and inspiration from local people who continue to rebuild their lives and rejuvenate their communities. Tohoku Week. Commerce, culture, connections.